What's cooking, guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am making Starbucks lemon pound cake recipe. It is very easy to replicate at home. It has fresh lemony flavor and you're going to love it as a spring and summertime dessert. So keep watching for the recipe. This is a recipe that one of you commented on my banana nut bread recipe and asked me if I could make it for you guys. So here is my version of the Starbucks lemon pound cake. Subscribe to my channel so you can join me in my kitchen twice a week, and now let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first, and for that I'm going to put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in a medium bowl through a sifter. Then add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and also a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift these 3 ingredients together really well. Sifting helps to add air into the dry ingredients to make it lighter and also gets rid of any lumps the flour may have. You can get rid of the lumps once you sift them together. Now I'm going to zest 1 lemon, so that would be about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Please use fresh lemon so you can get that taste from the zest, which will add a fresh taste to the batter once it's mixed with the wet ingredients. Mix the zest with the dry ingredients and then set this aside for now. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. Start with 1/2 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, and I'm putting in 1 cup of granulated sugar into this. Mix this well for at least 2 minutes. Mixing it for that amount of time helps to add air in here again, which makes the batter light and fluffy, and you get more air bubbles in the final cake product. Now add in 2 eggs, and I'm going to break them in a separate bowl first and add them into the butter and sugar mixture one at a time, and then mix them after each addition. One of you commented on my banana bread video and said I should be breaking the eggs in a separate bowl first, and you were absolutely right. So I'm trying to do the right thing for this recipe now. Once the eggs are mixed, we will add in 1/4 cup of sour cream into this, also at room temperature. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this lemon extract. This will add a more concentrated lemon flavor into this batter to enhance the flavors. Mix this up until it's well incorporated. Then I have the dry ingredients going in, and you want to add it in batches. I'm going to add 1/2 of the amount for now and then mix it well. Then add 1/2 cup of room temperature whole milk and mix well after adding that as well. Now the last portion of the flour mixture goes in, and mix it well, but don't overbeat it. You'll see the lemon zest from the dry ingredients visible in the batter, and just adding little bits of fresh lemon flavor, which is also reflected in the lemon extract we added. This cake is going to be so good just by looking at the batter. And this batter is done now. I have a 9-inch greased loaf pan here. I just sprayed some oil in it, but you can use butter as well. Then pour in your lemony pound cake batter in there. Flatten the top to even the batter out so it can bake evenly in the oven. Then bake this for 45 minutes in the preheated oven. It may take more or less depending on the type of oven you have. After 45 minutes, insert a skewer to see if it's done. And since it comes out clean, this is all done. Take this out of the oven and we're going to let this cool in the pan for 15 minutes before removing it out of the pan. Remove it from the pan and let it cool on a wire rack till it is completely cool. So this will take maybe an hour or more. And now as this is cooling, let's make our sweet and tangy lemon icing. For the icing, I'm going to use 1 cup of confectioners sugar, then add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So I'm squeezing in half of a fresh lemon. Then add 1 tablespoon of whole milk, or you can also use heavy cream. Mix this well, and to make this more liquidy, just add more lemon juice or milk. But if you want this to be a thick icing, adjust your confectioner sugar amount. Starbucks usually has a thicker coat of icing on their lemon loaf cake. I added a bit more lemon juice and also some milk to get the consistency I wanted. Pour that icing onto the cooled cake. Then I'm going to sprinkle some fresh lemon zest over this to garnish it and make it look all pretty. My version of the Starbucks lemon pound cake is all done. This recipe is so easy to make, as you saw. It's so soft and moist. Perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess from the fresh lemon plus the lemon extract. It's important to use fresh lemon when you can. It really adds that fresh flavor, but you can also use that concentrated lemon juice that you find in your grocery store. This is so perfect for spring and summertime. Let me know if you liked my version of the Starbucks lemon pound cake. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my version of the Starbucks lemon pound cake recipe. It has really fresh flavors from that lemon zest and the lemon juice we added. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope this recipe becomes as popular for you guys as my banana nut bread recipe from Starbucks. So thank you for all of your support on my banana nut bread recipe. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves.